shoot.
So after the huge hailstorm, apparently it brought in some bees. Check out that bad boy. So Omar is over there in his truck and he's gonna pull up and he's going to spray the bees out because bee removal is like $100. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. We're thinking the hailstorm took down this beehive, and so now they decided to go ahead and rebuild in our red oak. It's pretty gnarly. So Omar's pulling over and he's going to spray them out. Let's see how this goes.
Okay guys, so we came home from work after last night's big storm and we found that bad boy in our tree. It is a bona fide beehive. Well, I think they're creating one. Now we don't want to kill them, so I'm not out there going to spray them, but I am going to spray them with water.
And we have a nifty little nozzle there.
Yes.
Boom.
$10, Home Depot.
Suck on that.
So, as you can see, I'll definitely get some distance with this thing.
And we're going to hide in the truck. And Oakley's asleep in his crib, so yeah. So he's safe. Passing the hose. Hello! Alright. Oh! Time to spray the bees. Oh crap! He just closed the window on himself.
Okay.
Did you drop the hose?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's automatic.
Beep! Oy, what a goober.
What happens if, like, the bees come through the window?
Well, then we're dead.
Just be ready to roll up your window, okay?
I don't think they're gonna come in. Should I zoom?
Not yet. Okay, is anybody coming?
I don't know.
You know how lame this looks? People are gonna be like, what the heck is
Don't make me
on?
laugh. I'm zooming in. I have to stay still. Yeah, we're ready. Is it even reaching?
And it's not doing anything.
We should pull up onto our own grass. You're just raining on them. Oh my. We're just making them wet. And that's a fail. Now we have wet bees.
Okay, so Omar's bee removal service apparently isn't working. Do we have to get closer?
I think we need to pull up onto the grass and like really spray it. Like we're gonna have to like literally shut the windows except for a tiny thing. Spraying the beehive with a hose didn't exactly work. So we're gonna pull up and see if we can get closer, which means I'm definitely keeping my window closed. Cause I don't wanna die. All right, we're pulling up closer. Omar's bee removal service.
Incorporated.
Crap. Closing. I can't close my window. Omar, I can't close my window. Now I am safe. I don't want to die. Don't want to die. Don't want to die. Don't want to die. This looks so ridiculous. Oh my gosh.
All right, so.
Omar, please close it like as much as you can.
Now you're scared?
Yes, because now we're close.
All right, here we go.
Oh crap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The bees
like
are staying on
ground.
it.
They're like on the ground.
They're not letting go. Okay, I'm gonna open the window.
Okay. Okay. Like nestled somewhere.
It worked.
Yeah, but they're all there now. I don't know what's worse, bees on the air or bees on the ground.
He did it. Omar's bee removal service will drive onto your lawn and we'll spray down any of your bees. All All right, good job, babe.
Thank you. Yeah. And they're all on the ground. I don't know what's gonna happen, but you know, they're even up there. It's amazing how docile they are. Oh, crackers. Okay. All right. And there's Maria. We're on. Be careful.
Here we go. I've always wanted to drive off a lawn.
It's day 2 of Omar Valdez's beekeeping service. I mean removal. I don't know what I am anymore. So, epic fail. Where the bees are now. They're all at the bottom. Yay!
Man, they did that fast.
They sure did. So here's my theory. I don't think that they're gonna attack me. I have no idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this box because last time I sprayed them and they all went in there.
But that box doesn't even fit under it.
No, I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna wrap it around.
Oh my God.
Okay? So.
And Omar saw the bee movie, so he doesn't want to spray them with bee killer.
Exactly.
I cannot believe they rebuilt. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. This is Omar's plan B. Oh my gosh.
Hole right here. That's where the tree's gonna go.
Oh, okay.
We have no strategy to get away from the bees right now. So
I have a strategy.
This works. All right, where am I gonna run?
I don't know.
I think I should soak them first. Okay, so we had to switch cameras because the other one died. So here we go.
Babe, just do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do it further, real far first.
Oh crap.
Okay, so far so good. Oh shoot! They're everywhere. Oh baby.
Omar's not so brave right now. You're gonna take it now? Oh crap!
Did you picture that?
No?
They're in there.
Okay. It's falling out, babe.
Alright, here we go, here we go.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. So hopefully they'll get the idea that, you know, they need to find another home.